Welcome, in front of me is an LG Velvet, and today I'll show you how to import contacts from your SIM card to the device. So to get started, let's open up the dialer app right here, and from here you want to go into a specific contact like so, and what you want to do is tap on the three dots and choose import, and this will automatically move that contact to your device. As you can see now, it's duplicated. And unfortunately, this is the only way you can do it. There is no way of actually importing it in bulk. So from what I can find is you literally have to go through each contact and do import like so. But that is how you would do it. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.